So to make a paper football, you're going to first need a sheet of paper. Then you are going to fold it in half, like a taco. And then you're gonna fold that taco in half as well, okay? Create like a 1.5 or 2 inch wide piece of paper. And then you are going to go from one end, making sure you push down the creases, and you're going to fold it into triangles, just like this. Making sure you're pressing down the creases until you get to the end. When you get to the end, you may have something hanging off here. If you want to take a piece of tape and tape that down, or sometimes you can tuck that last little bit into the paper football like this. All right, so that's a little more cleaner, a little easier right there, but and that's your paper football.